Welcome to the world of reliability. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to talk about the magic behind a product that never fails you. We'll discuss the principles of reliability engineering and the tools that can enhance your business's product reliability. We'll also look at the difference between reliability, quality, durability, and maintenance, and why it's crucial to your business. Finally, we'll introduce how UpKeep can help you monitor and boost your product's reliability. So, what exactly is reliability? In the production world, it's the ability of a product or component to do its job consistently over a certain period of time under normal operating conditions. Let's say a manufacturer buys 2 conveyor belts from 2 different companies. If the belt from company A works consistently well with minimal downtime and repairs over 3 years, while the belt from company B needs more frequent repairs and replacements, the belt from company A is the more reliable one. Now, it's easy to mix up reliability with quality, durability, and maintenance, but these are distinct concepts in engineering. While reliability is about a product functioning well with minimal downtime, durability is about how long a product stays functional, regardless of how many tune-ups or failures it experiences. Quality is a broader concept that includes both reliability and durability, and it can mean different things to different companies, such as fulfillment, serviceability, and more. And while a reliable product will still need maintenance, the key difference is whether maintenance disrupts operational time. Why should we care about reliability? Well, it's crucial because it contributes to your company's success and its bottom line. For your business strategies and budgets to stay on track and for your customer base to grow, you need reliable products and the processes that create them. Reliability brings a host of benefits. It leads to customer satisfaction, which in turn gives you a great reputation and repeat business. It reduces warranty costs since reliable products or components need fewer repairs or replacements during the warranty period, saving your business money. It gives you a competitive edge as proven reliability can convince consumers to choose your product over your competitors. And it aids in cost analysis as reliability data combined with other information can help determine cost effectiveness, a selling point for your products. But how can a company foster reliability right from the idea stage? The answer lies in a process called reliability engineering. It's the systematic application of engineering practices and techniques to cost-effectively enhance the reliability of products. It involves preventing or reducing product failures, identifying and fixing the causes of failures if they do occur, and estimating potential reliability of new or upgraded designs. You might be wondering, how do we measure reliability? There are many ways, but a popular one is the mean time between failures, or MTBF method. It's a formula that measures the amount of time a product or component works properly between unscheduled failures. The higher the MTBF, the more reliable the product. The lower the MTBF, the less reliable it is. Improving reliability is not a new business goal, and there are best practices to help you enhance the reliability of your components. A great first step is to employ reliability engineers. They perform routine inspections on equipment to potentially prevent more expensive repairs or replacements in the future. They also keep an eye on the latest technological advancements to boost a component's reliability and ensure your business processes are running smoothly. There are specific types of maintenance, like predictive maintenance, that play a crucial role in enhancing the reliability of your products. It's like taking your car in for routine maintenance to prevent more costly issues down the line. The good news is there are tools to help improve your product's reliability. UpKeep is a powerful asset operations management tool for reliability and preventive maintenance. Monitoring equipment is key to maintaining and improving reliability, and UpKeep helps with advanced asset analytics that track real-time data, MTBF, and other metrics for further analysis. It also offers easy communication from anywhere, so technicians can receive and make updates to work orders in the field. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the principles of reliability engineering, the importance of reliability for your business, and how UpKeep can help you enhance your product's reliability. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about UpKeep and how it can benefit your business, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.